You write me, booker@bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lackin'. Order in the court. Listen up, listen up. This is a criminal case. It is a messy commoner. It happens so much and I'm tired of it happening. Please listen up. It's your favorite attorney, Attorney Ellie Booker. You already know what time it is. Order in the court. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lackin' up in here. Order. They wrote me and they said, I have a transcript of what was said and I was charged based on what the other person did. I want to know if I can have my case reopened, if I accepted a plea deal, and I have the evidence to prove that I did not commit the crime. I had a court-appointed attorney. They coerced me into believing that if I did not accept this plea, there was going to be an issue. There is evidence that I didn't do anything, and a lot of the evidence on my side wasn't even looked at. Me being young and scared, I went ahead and took the plea. Now I'm older, I've done some research, and I want to know whether there's anything that I can do about this conviction. Baby. Hell to the no, no. To the no, no, no. Hell to the no. Hell to the no, no. To the no. We're going to get Beyonce to remix that bitch. Okay? Because y'all like the country music. Okay? But that's the song that you're missing. The hell to the no, no. Okay? Because no, you can't. I'm going to tell you how this sounds. Why in the hell are they going to open the jails and let everybody out? I didn't do it. I said I did, but I didn't. Sir, before you take a plea in any court, they're going to ask you whether or not you were coerced. And if you sit up there and say that you weren't, then you weren't. This is what I think happened. I think you took the plea, your homeboy did not, and beat the case. And now you're like, dang, I could have beat the case just like my homeboy beat the case. Then you should have done the race. Okay, that's the robot race. Should have done the race. Because at the end of the day, when you tell somebody that your plea is open, that means before everybody, I'm going to do this in front of people because I'm not lying about it. 2, the truth. I'm not lying about it. I'm sworn under oath and I'm not lying. I did do this. I was not coerced. Nobody promised me anything in exchange for this plea. I'm taking this plea because I am guilty and it's free and it's voluntary. And I'm asking that you accept the court agreement that is before you, Your Honor. It's about 8 times that you just said that you were being free and voluntary and you did not do it because, and this is the plea, because somebody else promised you something, that you did it because you did it. So if that's the case and you didn't do the race, then I don't know what reprieve or relief that you think is there for you. But I will tell you all this. Don't come in my office telling me you didn't do shit, but you want me to plead you. Okay? Because guess what? I don't take pleas of innocent people for this very reason. You won't be coming back later saying that I coerced you to do shit. Okay? So if you say you didn't do it, we rhyme with what you said, homie. Next case! That may be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't lose very many cases, but we get down to the bottom of it, sir. One way or the highway. So at the end of the day, just because the other person got off does not mean you did it. You took that plea open and voluntarily. You're not going to sit up here and try to blame your court-appointed attorney because you did a bid that you wanted to do. Next case. Because if you made your decision. We're not opening up the courts for Tom, Dick, Harry, Tremaine, and Tyrone. We're not doing it. Next case.
Biggest time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.